And some traditional forms would be things like the archer, would be something like when you come back, your arms come together, and then you push out and you look to your side. You look to your side, you come back, and you look to the other side. You know, breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. One of my teachers used to say this is a good form for kind of owning your power. If you kind of want to feel a little bit more empowered in your life, just kind of go into this stance here and just do this little archer mode here. Because she would say, hey, no one messes with the archer, you know, okay. Another way to do that is, you know, in your horse stance here, you kind of come to the side, you kind of brush your arm off, and you kind of pull. So I got my notched, I'm notched like my bow here, elbow kind of up, look to the side there. Okay, then my arm goes around, and we look to the other side. And we're doing our archer stance here, okay. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Now, if your legs are getting a little tired, by all means, move them, shift them, and things like that. Okay.